This piece of wood, it's absolutely incredible. Check out that grain. I am in love with this and I cannot wait to create a project using this wood. Hey you guys, I'm so excited. Today I'm going to do an unboxing with you guys. It's been a long time since we've done an unboxing and I bought some beautiful wood here. This giant box, I think it says it was over 100 pounds of wood. And I want to show you what I bought, where I bought it from, and how much I paid for it. The reason for making this video is because I always loved watching this kind of videos. I want to see what people buy, especially when it's some wood that maybe I have not seen before. So without any further ado, let's get right into it and open this box. All right, you guys, the first board that is here, I am going to show it to you. It's probably a wood that you've never heard of. And still has some tape on it. I'll have to remove that later. This one, it's called Chuckvig. And I'm gonna show it to you. Some beautiful, beautiful orange wood. Let me move the camera, maybe you'll get a little bit better light here. So really orange and beautiful. I'm gonna put some mineral spirits on it just so you can see the color, the way it would look when it's finished. Really, really orange. A lot more orange than Osage orange. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. And a lot more red and orange than the yellow heart. So I don't know if you can tell, but really, really pretty color. It is a dense wood. This blanket is very, very heavy. For this one, I paid $70 for this board. So this is one of the boards. And I have another one right here, the same orange wood. And let me know in the comments below how many of you guys have never heard of this wood. It is really, really pretty. I wish the light was better. Let's see. I'm not even sure if I can get a better angle to show you the true color of it. But really, really pretty orange wood. The next one I bought, well, you've heard about this one, I'm sure. It is a very common wood. It's the aromatic cedar. The reason I bought it is because these boards I handpicked myself, so I knew which board, how it looks like. And these ones have very little knots. And I like the grain in it, so aromatic cedar, $21 for this board. And I have another one over there, I can see it. Now, this one over here, I'm gonna put some mineral spirits on it for you to see it. Very, very pretty wood, rich color. This one is called Sippo. And look how pretty, look at those ribbons. So Sippo, it's a kind of mahogany. And so it's from mahogany family and it's the closest one with genuine mahogany. It's kind of like, if I look at it, it's between genuine mahogany and also a little bit of sapele, quarter ounce sapele when you get those ribbons. So a really, really, really pretty wood. And this one machines really, really nicely, not too dense, not soft, just beautiful, beautiful wood. So that one was Sippo and it was $28. So quite more affordable than genuine mahogany. I have another board of Sippo here. I'm so excited. I know there's one piece of wood in here that I've never worked with before, so I can't wait to see that. So this again, Sippo, which is a kind of mahogany, very, very rich tones, like a reddish brown. So that is that. Then I have another aromatic cedar. I chose this one because it had some sapwood and the hardwood, and I'm going to use it for, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use these guys for in a second. So aromatic cedar. I have more of the Sippo really wide boards because I'll be making some large crosses from this. Beautiful, beautiful wood. The next one, it's one of my favorite woods for epoxy, and I've made a lot of cribbage boards from this wood with epoxy, so I'm using this other boards to make the bottom part of the cribbage board. So let me just show you here. This is redwood, that is curly redwood. Look at the figure here. That is amazing. Let me put a little bit more mineral spirits on it so you can really see it. Really wide board. Affordable wood. I don't think it's too expensive at all. It's very, very soft wood, so it's not fitted for every project, but there are definitely plenty of projects that this is fitted for. So look at that curl. I mean, this board is completely flat, but really, really nice figure. So this board, by the way, was $91. I have some more redwood. Again, beautiful curly redwood. I didn't wet it too much, but you can see the same beautiful curl. Very, very happy with this. I think there are two more boards. I'm just going to show you one of them, and I'm going to put both of them there, move on into the next woods. Just want you to see this one. It's amazing. I should have maybe sprayed it with water with a spray bottle. This thing is not working so well, but really, a really crazy figure. Really, really beautiful wood. I have another one of the redwood. I have a really pretty piece here of box elder. This is flaming box elder. I'm just going to wet one side to show you. Some really pretty pinks and yellows. So this is a box elder. Stunning, stunning piece of wood. On the back again has all the pinks stripes. So I have the perfect project in mind for that one. Next one, another one of the Sippo, which is the mahogany family. I'm not gonna wet it, I'm just gonna show it to you and put it aside. Super, super wide board. Like I said, I have some projects that demand some thick whiteboards, so that's why I bought these ones. And I picked each one of these boards individually, so I knew exactly what I was going to get. I'm gonna tell you what I bought this in a second. Here is another larger board of aromatic cedar. I just get one side wet so you can see. This one has more purplish hues into it. The other one was more pink. Another aromatic cedar. This one has a lot of sapwood on one side, but beautiful, beautiful pinks on the other side. Here's the one that I was super excited about it. This is Tulipwood. I have never worked with Tulipwood before, but I hope you can see how vibrant the colors are. Such a beautiful piece of wood. Pink and yellow. Really, really nice. Very, very happy with this one. So nice. Another incredible piece of redwood here. Check that one out. Super curly, incredibly. This is, like I said, it's a very flat board, but it gives you that illusion of ripples. So much curl, beautiful color, a red color. And then the last board is a super wide one. It's again the Sippo, the mahogany one. I didn't realize this one was going to be this wide, but a super wide board. And this was the last one. So where did I purchase this wood from? I purchased it from Rare Woods USA. Now they happen to be here in Maine where I live, so for me it's really nice that, you know, when I need something in a pinch, I can place an order and my wood usually arrives the next day. For all these boards all together, I ended up paying, and by the way, I am not sponsored. All this wood I purchased with my own money. I don't have any kind of affiliations with Rare Woods USA. I wouldn't mind if they sponsor me, so Rare Woods, if you watch this video and you want to collaborate, let me know. But no, I purchased this because I really like these woods and I have some good projects from them. All these woods all together, I ended up paying $903.67. I did pay a premium price for them because I picked them board by board. I handpicked these boards. Obviously, if you purchase a bundle of 20 board feet of mahogany or 10 board feet or something, you will get it a lot cheaper. For me, I was able to pick each one of these boards, handpick it, so I knew exactly what I was going to get. Because of that, I did ended up paying a premium. Now, they are not the cheapest place to buy wood from. I buy from other places that is cheaper, but they do have really nice quality, and I was never disappointed with them. They do have free shipping in 48 states, I believe, if you spend $100 or more, so I didn't have to pay shipping. And like I said, it arrived super quick, so I'm happy with my purchase, and I just cannot wait to start making some projects. Now, recently I got into intarsia, and intarsia is when you make artwork like this from combining different woods, their natural color and grain, playing around with that to create something unique and beautiful. I finished this piece today, and you can see I use poplar for the green, I use the walnut for the cross, and I use the aromatic cedar for the tulips. So imagine the same cross I will be making again, but this time I will be using the stripy tulip wood, and it's going to be amazing. For me, when I have really colorful, beautiful woods, it just inspires me to try new things and make new things. And I hope you are the same. Please let me know in the comments if there are any of these woods that you've never heard of before, if you found this video fun or useful. Anyway, I hope this was useful to you. Thank you for allowing me to share this with you. My name is Skylar Ewing, and I'll see you in my next video.